Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and we just got this V-Life for cats. It's a little laser pointer that shoots around and stuff like that, so I'm going to do a little unboxing review right now, and then we'll do a review of it, of the cat playing after, but we're going to do this review first, and we'll just unbox it, and we'll see what we got in the box, alright? So here we go. So here we go. So we're going to open this up. So we got the directions that come in it right here. Here are the directions. I don't know about, I'm going to read them and look at the pictures a little bit. Looks pretty self-explanatory, so you could probably just figure it out. Pretty simple. Here's the charger right here. So it's rechargeable? Mom.
Yeah, you could, well that's what that's for.
So this is rechargeable.
But then you're going to have to keep charging it.
Got it, okay.
I'm going to put batteries in it for now, just so we don't have to wait for the charging.
Oh, it's both.
It's both.
Oh, that's cool.
It's both.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so I didn't know that. Okay, so it's both. So it's batteries or it's...
You can use less
this.
battery.
I know.
Like once I get used to it, I'm going to use the cord.
Yeah.
But for now, I want to
Okay,
watch it play. I don't want to wait for it to charge.
I don't want to wait for it either. I'm just saying. I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. Okay. So let's open this up. Let's take it out of the package. So here we go. This is what it looks like. It looks like a little cat because it has the ears. There's a little button on the top. I don't know what that does. I don't know what anything does yet. I'm going to read more about it. This is just an unboxing, not really anything else. And then the batteries pop out like this. Goes like this. It tells you how to put them in right here. So we got minus on the top. Minus on the top right here. And then we got plus. And then plus. So that's kind of how it goes in there. I don't see any stickers to pull it out or anything like that and get it, get the power, disconnect the switch or whatever to connect the power to the batteries like they do in toys. So I don't see that right now, so whatever. So it's already plugged in. That's what it looks like. There's a tag, there's something right here, I don't know what this is. It says pet toy. It says right here, pet toy it says. So I don't know what that means, but this is what it looks like up close. So wow. So this is what it looks like up close. That's as bright as I can make it. This says pet toy on it. I don't know what that does. Like I said, I didn't turn it on yet. I'm going to read the instructions and then we'll do another review on it actually working with the cat and then we'll see what's going on. This is just an unboxing right now, so check back and see the review later. There's the charging port right here, which is for the cord, I guess. And then there's a button right here that I guess that controls how to set it and how to play with it and stuff like that. So,
because you can set it, I think, for 15 minutes.
Oh, 15 minutes. Oh, it's like a timer. Oh, okay. So my mom said it's like a timer. So this is like a timer right here that it works. It's like a timer is what she's saying. Is how long it's going to spray the,
or you can do it
put the laser
manually.
Out. Or you can do it manually.
Or you can set it for 15 minutes and they can play it for 15 minutes.
Okay, so 15 minutes or manually. Okay, so we're going to look at the directions, do another video on that. This is just the unboxing review. Thank you for watching Glen Velvet Reviews. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I put on everything else.